So what happens when a forgotten gadget brand becomes the hottest ticket on Wall Street overnight? GoPro, once a tech darling, is back in the headlines, not for a new camera, but for a jaw-dropping stock surge. So will GoPro's meme-fueled momentum lead to a lasting comeback? Or is this just a fleeting viral moment? Now this is the monthly chart. And a couple of things to note. You do have this drop in price, one basing candle, and then the drop out. So drop in, basing candle, leg out. That is your monthly seller's level at about that $2.30. So when price surge, and if you were trying to take the other side of the trade, you gotta have some guts. You gotta have confidence. You gotta be compelled that prices are gonna stop and then at least pull back. Other thing to note is that you had support. That should be resistance. Now price did pierce, but thus far we haven't gotten a candle close above this level. And then looking down at the origin of the move higher, there has to be a level of interest near this 80 to 60 cent level. So let's go down to the weekly chart to analyze that. Alright, so when I look at the price action, I see a rally in price, basing candles, and the rally out. And so this becomes weekly buyers. Weekly buyers. We're going to stay at 55 cents. And then if you zoom in, you have this rallying price, basing candles, and the rally out on low volume. But as you can see, as price attempted to come back to the level, it was met with buyers not even at the top of the zone before price pulled away and then moved higher. So there's definitely unfilled buy orders in this region between 50 and 65 cents. So now let's take it down to the daily chart. You have this pullback and then the huge surge higher, which includes a gap. So let's look at that level on the daily chart. And what you can see is you have this rally in price, basing candle, and then the rally gap. Again, price hits this monthly sell level and then pulls back. So a couple things to note. We call this daily buyers. And we're going to call that 94 cents. Now, reason why I like this level as well, this was the origin of the move higher, which took out the pivot high to the left. This was the origin also which closed above and pushed higher from the 200-day moving average. And so at a minimum, the chart suggests look for price to close that gap. If you believe in GoPro, believe in this mean trend, you can buy levels below $1.